In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able how to use Dsers with WooCommerce. If you're new to Dsers, it's a powerful tool that helps you import and manage products for your WooCommerce store, streamline ordering, and keep your inventory in sync. Let's walk through the connection process from start to finish so you can begin importing products with confidence. First, open the Dsers website in your browser. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, take a moment to create one. The sign-up is straightforward and it ensures you'll have access to the dashboard where everything happens. Once you're signed in, look for the WooCommerce option in your Dsers dashboard. It's typically listed among the available platforms and integrations. Click WooCommerce to begin setting things up. Next, click Install. This action triggers the secure connection process between Dsers and your WooCommerce store. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. You'll be asked to authorize the connection, which usually includes confirming your store address and granting the necessary permissions so Dsers can manage products and orders on your behalf. If your browser opens a new tab or asks you to allow a pop-up, that's normal for this step. Just proceed so the authorization can complete. When the prompts are finished and the authorization is accepted, Dsers will confirm that your WooCommerce store is connected. You'll see a connected status, and from this point, the integration is live. With the connection in place, head over to the Products section inside Dsers. This is where you can start importing the items you want to sell. As you bring products in, take a moment to review the titles, descriptions, variants, and images so they match your brand voice and store layout. It's also a good idea to check pricing and compare at price fields before the items appear in your WooCommerce catalog, ensuring your margins and promotions are set the way you expect. If you work with multiple variants, double-check sizes, colors, and SKU details so inventory stays accurate. Once you're satisfied with how your products look, you're ready to proceed with your normal WooCommerce workflow. Dsers will help streamline product sourcing and inventory updates behind the scenes, keeping your catalog current as you continue to grow. And that's it. Open Dsers, log in or create an account. Click WooCommerce, click Install, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize, and then go to Products to start importing. You're all set to make the most of Dsers with WooCommerce.